Right, so we are at CES today, bringing you guys the latest technology. Products are going to be available to display for us. Today we're actually going to walk around, take a look at a couple things. Now, light crowds this year because of a couple things. Tariffs, and not only tariffs, but they're also talking about, filtering out certain people to apply to come in CES today. So I do feel that it's less crowded. But the main products are always flooded, of course. But coming in here, it was not that bad. It was pretty good. It was actually, the flow's pretty good. I didn't even feel like it was something that I was struggling. We're actually going to the next level, and flow's moving pretty good. So we'll see you guys in a bit. All right, we're gonna walk into the Gigabyte and see what we can see today. Of course, we're here for the main thing, which is video cards here. That's what we're looking for, CD4. And these are the new flagships, the 5000 series. 1590. And price tag? Price tag somewhere around 2,000 something. It's higher than $2,000, of course.
Probably in the $2,000 range, but we don't know the exact number yet.
Okay.
Beef. To take as many videos and pictures.
All right.
We just
So if you guys are looking at right now, this is the 1590 laptop. Beautiful, heavy duty, but it's going to take a lot of power to run in it. Here's the specs, if you guys can see right now. It's a 5000 series on this one, the Blackwell and AI, of course. G-Sync, where we're looking at the monitor, is 240 hertz LCD. This is really good, as you can see that. Now, power-wise, consumption of power, I don't see it on this one.
No problem. I just wanted to ask.
Oh, Generation 5 LC, DDR4. This is 128 gig DDR memory on this one.
So if anyone, maybe sales team might know more about this. Yeah. Someone on the other side. but I'm taking care of this section. Did I already scan your badge?
Yes.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Looks like we have a NIC card.